everyone, we're Jonathan and Kelsey. We are self-proclaimed DIYers. We have had 3 houses now and we're on our 3rd, and each house we have done improvements to and have done them ourselves usually and on a budget. We've learned a lot from YouTube and from other DIY creators, and we thought it was time for us to create our own channel to kind of share what we have learned along the way.
So I'm actually an appraiser, and so I look at homes all day long, and I look at people that are on the losing end of doing home improvements themselves or hiring it done, or they are either on the investor side where they're making money. So I always am constantly looking at what is it going to cost? What are the improvements that are most likely to have a return? So I hope you guys find it interesting. Just be sure to follow us for more content.